Okay, so this is just a continuation of the previous scientific notation video. So we ended about right here. So I want to try these with you guys. So this number we have 61,500. This would be a good place to start pausing and trying these on your own, but I will go through them with you. So we already know that our decimal is naturally at the back. If we don't see the decimal, it's always going to be right here at the back, okay? We're going to go ahead and move that decimal over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're going to stop right here because we want this number right here to be between 1 and 10. And now we have that number as 6.15. Again, let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our next thing should be 6.15 times 10 to the 4th. Let's try another one. We're going to remember our decimals here. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we should have 8.496 times 10 to the 7. Let's look at one more. 321. I'm going to move it 1, 2. So I should have 3.21 times 10 to the 2. Now let's try some with less than 1. We're going to move these the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're going to stop right here because we want this number to be between 1 and 10. So we have 5.27 times 10 to the negative 4. Again, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should have 4.0 times 10 to the negative 7. Okay? Again, remember, the first number must be 1 or more, but less than 10. That means the first number before the decimal point can only be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Of course, with decimals added, okay? Moving on, to change from scientific notation to standard form, you're going to move your decimal point to the right for a positive exponent of 10 and move the decimal point to the left for a negative exponent of 10. So now we're going backwards from what we just learned, okay? So if I have this number right here, if I have a scientific notation number right here, it's telling me I'm moving 3 places. So I'm going to go ahead and move it 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. And now I have 5,024. And that is standard decimal form. Okay. Again, remember the positive exponent, move the decimal to the right. A negative exponent, move the decimal to the left. So I have a negative exponent right here. So I'm going to move this decimal which way? This way or this way? This way. If you said that, you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what am I going to do with all those places? Well, I'm just going to fill those places in with zeros and put my decimal there. Okay. So here, it's a positive number. So we're going to move that positive number to the right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should be entering in, if I'm not mistaken, 3 zeros, right? Because we moved it over 3 places. This is something I want you to practice on pen and paper. So make sure you're moving it over and you're showing yourself you're moving it over so you can count those spaces and then just fill those spaces in with with zeros, okay? Same thing here. I'm going to move it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I should have 42,273. Okay? Same here. I'm going to move it. Actually, it's not the same. This is a negative, so I'm going to move it to the left. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So I should have 2 zeros in the front. Right here. You're, of course, going to add the 0, but right here is the 2 zeros that you just added. Okay? So now turn the scientific notation page. Oh, don't worry about this, guys. All right? This link is a good link that you can use to see more about scientific notation in standard decimal form. And that is all I have for you today.